हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल CCMP फार्मेकोलॉजी। आज हम पहले का ही टॉपिक जो हमारा ड्रग एक्सक्रीशन था उसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लिनिकल फार्मेकोकाइनेटिक्स। क्या है क्लिनिकल फार्मेकोकाइनेटिक्स? द नॉलेज ऑफ काइनेटिक्स ऑफ ड्रग इज क्लिनिकली यूजफुल फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑफ ड्रग अरेंजिंग the rational dosage regimen according to individual need to get optimum effects. ठीक है, there are three important pharmacokinetic parameters. What are they? Bioavailability, volume of distribution and clearance. ठीक है, drug elimination is sum of total metabolic inactivation and excretion. Sum of metabolic inactivation and excretion is drug elimination. Drug is eliminated from blood suggest its elimination from peripheral compartments, including its site of action. If blood is considered as central compartment, thus clearance is the theoretical volume of plasma from which the drug is completely cleared in given period of time. तो clearance क्या हो गया? Rate of elimination divided by plasma concentration. Clearance is expressed as milliliter, liter or unit per time. Clearance is most important factor for determining drug concentration, especially when drug is administered for long-term administration. Drugs are metabolized or eliminated from the body by how it is eliminated? First order kinetics. क्या है first order kinetics? Here, constant fraction of the drug is metabolized or eliminated per unit time. Okay, the rate of metabolism or excretion is depend on concentration in the body. That is, rate of elimination is directly proportional to drug concentration. Rate of elimination is directly proportional to drug concentration. That is, as plasma concentration increase, metabolism or excretion increases. ठीक है, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है. फिर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ ड्रग फॉलोज दिस टाइप ऑफ काइनेटिक्स. इन दिस ड्रग्स concentration do not saturate the elimination processes like enzymes, blood flow, transporters, etc. Is zero order kinetics. What is zero order kinetics or saturation kinetics? Here, a constant amount of the drug present in the body is metabolized or eliminated per unit time. Constant amount of drug metabolized or eliminate होगा per unit time. In this, metabolizing enzyme get saturated, therefore with increase in dose the plasma level of drug increases disproportionately, resulting toxicity. Such elimination is known as zero order kinetics. Drugs like phenytoin, alcohol, aspirin, heparin follow kinetics. Some drugs, phenytoin, warfarin, eliminated by both first order initially and by zero order at high concentration, resulting accumulation of drug is known as mixed order kinetics. This type of drugs are called mixed order kinetics. अभी हम देखेंगे प्लाज्मा हाफ लाइफ ऑफ अ ड्रग. व्हाट इज प्लाज्मा हाफ लाइफ ऑफ अ ड्रग? प्लाज्मा हाफ लाइफ इज द टाइम टेकन फॉर द प्लाज्मा concentration of drug to be reduced to half of its value. Example, if drug A is administered IV, अगर हमने कोई ड्रग IV से दिया है, its plasma concentration measured is 100 microgram per ml. Concentration is measured every hourly at the end of 4 hours. Concentration measured comes to 50 microgram per ml. Then the plasma half life of drug A is 4 hours. अगर उसका concentration 50 microgram per ml आता है 4 hours में, तो हम समझेंगे कि उसका plasma half life है 4 hours. Each drug has its own T half life. Plasma half life helps in guiding the dosing regimens. ठीक है. Significance of plasma T half to know. क्या है सिग्निफिकेंस प्लाज्मा टी हाफ लाइफ का? ड्यूरेशन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ ड्रग, कितना ड्यूरेशन है ड्रग का. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में हमको देना है. टाइम नीडेड फॉर एक्शन, कितना टाइम लगता है एक्शन के लिए. टू कैलकुलेट वेरियस डोजेस लाइक लोडिंग डोज, मेंटेनेंस डोज ऑफ ड्रग. ठीक है. फिर फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग प्लाज्मा टी हाफ.